Okay guys, another video, important video to add YouTube account to your Google Ads account. Unless it won't allow you to run ads on YouTube. This is important step and everyone should take if they want to run YouTube ads on YouTube. So guys, open first your Google Ads account here, right? And then again click on linked account, right? So go and click on linked account, and once you go there, it's gonna ask you in this window, add your YouTube account with your Google Ads account. So just click on detail, and you can add multiple accounts. Like let's say if you have many channels, so you can and you want to run ads on these channels, so you can do that. But if you have only one channel, so you can still do that. So what you need to do, once you click on add, it's gonna ask you which channel you want to add here, right? So go to your YouTube and go to your channel if you have. So let's say I have my channel. I am go to my channel and copy my channel URL, and then go back and click here and paste here. So once I paste, it's asked me to add which role I want. Channel owner. They are asking me about channel owner. So if you are not channel owner, so you need to click here. So once you click here, the owner will receive an email from Google that someone wants to add your channel into your Google account. So if you allow them, so they can, right? So but usually it's not happen. So usually you are the owner of the channel. So once you click on it, I own this channel, and then click to go to YouTube, it's gonna ask you another permission to that. That's it, right? So once you click on it, right, it's gonna easily integrate your YouTube channel here. I am not going to do that because I have my integration properly done before, right? So it's easily go here. So it's allow you to remarket or re-engagement with the people who connected with your YouTube channel. So this is the important step you need to take. And the next step is how to add manager or content creator on, or your advertiser on your YouTube channel, because this is also important. Unless you're not able to run ads for you. So once you open your YouTube, open your channel, right? So this is my channel, right? So once you open your Google account, YouTube account, it takes you to here, and click in the left corner menu and go to the setting. And once you open the setting, it will take you this type of window. Scroll down, and here you can add manager. On your YouTube account, so they can able to run ads or add videos or remove videos for in your YouTube account. So click on add, it will take you another window, and then click on manage permissions. Once you click on it, it's gonna it's asking me, let me set my password here. Okay, this send me the notification on my mobile. Let it be here. Because I'm not getting it. Yes, okay, I just get notification on my mobile. And once you click on manage permission, it takes you to another pop-up screen, and here you can see, manage or add people on your YouTube account. So what you need to do is just click on add new, enter the name or email address. Who should have Gmail account? So once you click here, and then allow them which role they want, you need to give them, right? If you want to give them honor manager, communication manager. So usually when we invite someone to run ads for our business, we click on manager. Once you click on it and send the invitation straight go to his account. And once they get and accept the invitation, so here the status will change. So this is the way that you can add someone to your Eagle Ads account. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and stay blessed.